Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do this super soft pink glam. Perfect, I think, for Valentine's Day, especially if you don't love to wear too much makeup. This look just might be perfect for you. Obviously, you guys can substitute out the colors that I use with other colors and make it your own. Hopefully this look can give you guys some inspiration for your own Valentine's Day look. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this soft pink look, please keep watching. I'm going to start by priming my eyelids, and I'm just going to be using a concealer, and this is ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in medium 26. And I'm just going to go in with Huda Beauty's Face Conceal and Blend brush and just blend that out. All the way up to the brow bone. Now I'm going to set this using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread. And I'm going to take a bit of this on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's new Nude palette. And I'm going to start by going in with Play. I'll be taking this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush. And just getting that almost to the brow bone. So once you kind of got it fading upwards, I'm going to go in with another brush, and this is my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37. And I'm just going to use this brush to concentrate this color a little bit lower. So just like that. I want this to be a super soft look, so I don't want the color to be like in your face. Now to add a bit of shimmer to this look, I'm going to be going in with Crave and putting that all over my lid. I'm just going to take that on my finger, really focusing on the center of my lid. Now taking that Morphe brush and a little bit of Play again, I'm just going to go in and blend that out. And also blending the outer edge and inner corner. Just making sure this color is really focused on the middle. I'm going to do my face in a little bit of a different order because I'm going to go in really quick with my bronzer, and I'm going to be going in with Hoola by Benefit on my Beau Belle B4 brush. Also using this color to contour my nose, and I'm going to be taking this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 smudger brush. And then just blending that out with my translucent powder brush. Next, I'm going to be going in with my blush, and I'm going to go in with Too Faced's Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo in Strawberry. I'm going to take this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. And now for my highlight, I'm going to be going in with Too Faced's Canary Diamond highlighter. I'll be taking this on my Too Faced highlight brush. On different angles it'll look pinker, and some angles it'll look golder, so I really like this highlight. And same for my nose. I'm just gonna with my Cupid's bow. I'm also going to pop this color on my brow bone and inner corner, and I'm going to use this shader inner corner E46 brush from Sigma. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit more play on this A3 smudger brush that I used to bronze up my nose a little bit. And just get this color under my eye. Just a little bit. It's not going to show up like crazy because it's such a light color. But just lightly get it under there so it doesn't look naked. Alright, now for liner, I'm going to go in with NYX's Epic Ink Liner. Now for lashes, I'm going to be going in with Luxy Lash in Lil Miss Money. Holy, that's hard. That's difficult. Here we go. I'm just going to blend these lashes together using a spoolie. Go over that eyeliner line just to blend out any glue. Oh my god, I did it bad. Guys, I did it real bad. And now for mascara, I'm going to go in with Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. Now lastly for lips, I'm going to be going in and lining my lips with Boldly Bare by MAC, and then going over that with Too Faced's Sunset Crush High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. I'm going to fill this in with that gloss. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also remember to click that little bell icon if you want to get notifications when I post a new video. I don't know if that's what you want. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think that it's kind of perfect for like a soft glam Valentine's Day, even a bridal look. You know, makeup is so versatile, but Valentine's Day is like the next big thing coming up, so I really wanted to do something for my soft makeup people. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.